Hello guys! I'm just making these two paintings white with a white base because I'm gonna make a diptych. And this time I'm gonna make one stroke with different colors and blow them out, just like I did in the triptychs. And I've got my colors here. I don't know yet which colors I'm gonna use, but I will make them up as I go. So let's see. Okay, I'm starting with this phthalo green. And some of my winsor blue. Primary blue. Just go in with a bit of this red violet. Then we have the pearl blue. Let's see if this makes some pearl here. Probably not, because I need to mix it in with a different color. So not use it like this, but that's okay. And shall we do copper this time? Little drops of white. Let's pour white around. I'm gonna place them a little bit like that. Where did all the color go? Okay, I'm gonna torch this first to see if there are some beautiful things popping up. Let me see. We need a lot more contrast in this. So I do like the composition it made, but it really is lacking contrast in here. So I think normally I do that with my winsor blue. That's a very dark blue, but these bottles really look the same. So I think I took my phthalo blue, or maybe this pearl blue made it a lot white, more white. So I have a Prussian blue color here, and I think I'm just gonna pour it a little bit here. Yeah, that's giving a lot more contrast. Okay, yeah, I like this, that it's contrasting there. So let's see if we can make something here as well. I like that, but I want it now more here as well. Anything about that? Maybe this works too. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, now it has a lot of contrast. So this is a color combination I've never used before. And there was too much white. The colors are not as vibrant as I normally have them. But I can get used to this one. I think, yeah, this turned out good. Okay. This one didn't go as planned, but that's okay. Just some tweaking in the middle, making some contrast. Turned out much different than I hoped. I think I need to get used to this and need to let it dry, varnish it and see how it hangs and how it looks together. But right now, yeah, I like it, but I'm not in love yet. Guys, let me know what you think. And I made previous triptychs and diptychs. You can check them out in my channel if you want to see them. And I'll see you next video.